one of the coolest transformations in the animal kingdom. The coolest ways of eating, and you'll never guess what. The furthest migration you've ever seen, and so much more. All about butterflies. It all starts with the egg. An adult female lays about 100 eggs. The monarch butterfly always lays their egg on milkweed. And when they do lay them, they add a little bit of glue so that the egg can't roll off. And about 5 days later, a baby caterpillar is born. As soon as the caterpillar is born, it begins to eat its eggshell. It begins to eat everything. Most caterpillars eat fruit, vegetables, and leaves, but the monarch mostly feeds off of its milkweed, the plant it was laid on. You know this caterpillar, right? But have you ever seen this one, or any of these? This one is my favorite. Next, the caterpillar finds its favorite branch and adds a small ball of silk to it. Next, the metamorphosis process starts. Then the caterpillar lets go. But wait, why is it wiggling? It's actually wiggling because there's a pupa forming inside it right now. It starts to push and pull its body. In this process, it has less than 100 blood cells. So for example, if it wants to make a butterfly leg, it will have to push and pull its body in order to make enough cells to make a leg. And butterflies don't actually make a cocoon. Instead, they take off their skin and use their very own body to do this process. You can see more pushing and pulling with the legs in this process as well. Then, over time, it becomes transparent, and you can see a butterfly crawl out. As you can see in this video, its proboscis is in two. It must zip them together before the butterfly can eat anything. Butterflies eat lots of things. They mostly eat nectar, but they also eat fruit, sugars, juices, even Kool-Aid, animal droppings, maybe even dead animals. Whatever it wants to eat, it will stab its tongue into and then start to suck it up. It can only eat liquid or mostly syrup type of things with this kind of tongue. Butterflies migrate from all the way up to Canada, all the way down to Mexico. And while they are migrating, you can usually find them in a big pile of water, food, or any resources that a butterfly would need to help them fly. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, the cycle restarts.